The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Caledonia and Cherry Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Loves Park, Candlewick Lake, Rockford, McChesney Park, Timberlane, Roscoe, Caledonia, and Cherry Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.